Hello, my name is PJ Ortiz Louise, and today I will teach thee how to tie thy shoes. Look at those laces. Oh no, it's quite complicated, but if I break it down for you, it's actually a bit simple. First you take these two strings, and then you do this thing, and then it's a 6-step, but it's in lace form, and then you do that thing, and then bam, your shoe is tied. Look at my penis. Randy, come here. I will teach them how to tie their shoes without penises. I'm rowing the boat across the English Channel.
Come hither.
Oh, I hithered a long time ago.
Come now. Come,
okay.
My lady. Come, my lady.
This
You're my butterfly.
is Randy.
Howdy.
And this is me, and we both have penises.
Oh, yeah.
How grand is that? Okay.
2 in 1.
Pull out our penises and tie them
Together.
like shoes.
Here we go.
Let's try not to use our hands. Oh, I'm stuck. I am stuck. Hold on, let me untangle my pubes.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
It's twisted. Oh, I can't. It's getting numb.
We should have
It's
used
getting numb.
Velcro.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my. I just hithered.
Oh, I feel so much better.
I just hithered.
Oh, yeah, you hit it very well. Very nice.
Righto.
Now